Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd show a quick little video. Just installing some injora 45mm shocks for the fcx18, and I just thought I'd quickly show how it all goes together. So in this kit here, you will see you have these colors here and these guys here that look different. You also get some stiff springs, medium, and very light springs. I chose to go with the stiff ones, which is the silver ones here. And then you also got 3 different length bolts and some spacers. You're gonna need this one for the bottom, the medium ones, and you're gonna need one short one for the top. These guys here, they're slightly different than these ones. These guys, the one on the left will go one in the top, one in the bottom of the shock. I'll show you in a second, with an O-ring on either side. This guy here that's different on the right will be used on the lower link if you're using your stock links. All right, so it's really not that hard. It's really not that hard. So you just take one of these guys. I've chosen to go with the injora logo facing out. So what I like to do is, you'll notice one side's like this, one side's like this. This side will be out, this side will be towards the chassis. So you get one O-ring on one side. Now I like to use some fast eddy red and tacky. All you need is just a little bit. I always like to use some grease, anything that moves. Just put a little bit there like that. Get it through the top like this. I'm sorry if you guys can't see. You get one O-ring in on the other side to hold it in place. Can be a little tricky. Okay, so then it looks something like this. Should have an O-ring on one side. An O-ring on the other. Repeat the same for the bottom. So once again, like this. Get some grease on here. I always like to put grease. Don't need that much. Just a little splash. Make sure the same sides are facing out. And then another O-ring. That's it. There you have it. Facing out, facing in. Okay, once you're done with that, now this guy here, which you'll notice is different. You'll notice one side has a small collar, one side doesn't. That side that looks like a spacer goes in towards the axle, and it'll give you the same spacing as the stock link with the stock shock. Also, the spacers you get in the kit, you'll use this with the top of the shock. So you'll have your bolt come through the top like this. You'll have your spacer, and then this all bolts to your existing top shock mount. And I'll show you once you're done. I'll just get this guy off here so you guys have an idea. If I make a video of actually putting everything together, it's going to take forever. Pull this wheel off. Hold on to this. Once you're done, it should look something like this. And then the top, the spacer. Alright, it's fairly simple, not that hard. Take your time doing it and do it right. Till next time.